All right, so as instructed, basically, the pre-video preparation was to draw on a blank piece of paper the 5 phases of of mitosis. So first we have the first phase, interphase, second prophase, third metaphase, fourth anaphase, and fifth telophase. Those are the phases of mitosis. So now to get on to drawing out and describing each of those phases with their different chromosomes. So I got my 3 different colors here, and the first phase being interphase is kind of like everybody's just doing their own thing. So we got a pair here, everybody's chilling, chromosome there, we got a chromosome here, everybody's just minding their business. It's not disorganized either, it's kind of like conjunct, or like a, everybody just all around. Might not be as organized as I'm drawing it out to be, but it's pretty much, those 3 colors are kind of light. And there's interphase, and then we move to prophase, where this is the first time those chromosomes meet. So we can go here, we got here pretty interlocking with this chromosome, interlocking with the next chromosome, and then just kind of like repeat that, everybody getting to know each other. And then we got red. So those chromosomes are crossing off. There we got prophase. And then we move to metaphase, where they kind of like formally have an organized meeting, how I like to think of it, for the first time. So now they're more like in line, they're literally like the middle of my fingers now would be where they link up at. So we got chromosome here, move to the next one here, and it's kind of like similar to prophase, but you'll be able to see the unity and the organization a little bit better and differently in this presentation style. Draw a little bit more just to make it more clear. And then they also I'll just draw these for more detail, kind of like that. There. Boom. So here we got metaphase, the first uniform organized meetup there. And then we go to anaphase when that same group that just met up in metaphase pretty much just separates. And they keep the organization, but it's literally just like they kind of part ways and go top to bottom in this 4th phase. So we keep the color order the same. So we got a chromosome here doing its own thing now up top. Next chromosome doing its own thing up top. And we got the next doing its own thing up top, and then we got the bottom structures as well. What's next? We have a little bit of detail. So now we got an example of our anaphase here. You see how they go from metaphase to being all combined and meeting in the middle, kind of in an organized fashion, to being like, oh, maybe they got in an argument, split up now. They're doing their own thing down there, they're doing their own thing. So they stay linked to each other side by side, but as far as vertically, they part ways and split. And then we got telophase, where those two parted ways in anaphase kind of like ball up. So like they already parted. Now they're just gonna all come together, like kind of like huddle up. So first being red, or well, red for me to symbolize my chromosome here. Orange, kind of balling up. And we got blue. And then down here, red, orange, and blue. So now we got like, I kind of think of it as like almost like two interphases, except now these are all combined and joined together, and a little more, I don't know, chaotic, I guess. So there we got that. So now here we have two separate examples. There's our example of telophase. Just everybody balled up. Now they're all cool. So these are the 5 phases of mitosis. So like I said, we got interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And then now the next step was what we had to explain. Okay, we had to identify. Okay. Oh yeah, let's get ready for this one. So identify different stages of mitosis. So pretty much these ones I just did, obviously, you know, but these ones I just did, these are just examples here on the screen. So like if one looks like, the circled object looks like interphase, then I'll just say to you interphase. So I'll go through these. I'll just show you the screen at the same time. So here we go. We got, can you see everything? All right, so starting with A here, I would say telophase. Those two separated, structures separated. B, I would say is interphase. C, metaphase. D, metaphase. E, anaphase. F, metaphase. G, prophase. H, metaphase. I, interphase. J, metaphase. K, anaphase. And then the last one, L, be interphase again. I noticed, like, if I'm correct, that a lot of these seem to be metaphase. And I'm curious to find out, like, maybe because metaphase is that middle step or that middle phase of mitosis, so it might be more of an often thing to happen. But yeah, I just noticed, like, if I am correct, like I said, that a lot of these phases that seem to be these examples were metaphase. So, and that's all for activity 2 and cell division.